What's up, you guys? What's up, Creamy Squad, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is another luxury unboxing. I promised you guys that anytime I get any luxury item, be it 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna always come here and unbox it for you guys and let you guys in on the goodies, okay? And if you're new, hey girl, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And if you're an OG, thank you guys. What's popping? How are you doing? Okay, so I did get a luxury item as a gift. Ta-da! I know you guys already saw. Alright, I know you guys already saw the thumbnail and you know what it is. It is the Bottega Veneta. The girl finally got a Bottega. Okay, and it is a gift. I didn't purchase this with my money. It was a gift, like a dinner date kind of gift. Yeah. Okay. So let's get into this unboxing. So I'm gonna wear it out. I'm already dressed up. I'm ready to hit the road. You guys know it's fall season, so I have this jumpsuit from Zara. You guys saw my last Zara haul. I wore this jumpsuit. So alright, I'm super excited because this was in my Christmas wish list. It's one of the items I told myself I was gonna get this Christmas. And you know what? Let's talk about manifestation. Let's talk about the power of manifestation. Like everything I ever wanted, I'm always saying it speaking it into existence. I spoke this shoe into existence. You guys already know. Let me bring it out, okay? Ooh! This is a shoe. This is a box. Went to the store and got it because he sent me the money earlier today and I had to go to the store and get it. And I did my nails, new nails. I changed my polish, changed my nails. So this is the receipt and authentication card. So this shoe is retailed for $1,270 with tax $370 or almost. Hold on, in case anybody cares to know. Okay, let me look at the receipt. So I got this from Bottega Veneta in Phipps Plaza. It's just right across me. So the shoe is retailed for $1,270. That's $1,270, and tax was $113. So it totaled $1,383.03. I'm super excited. I did not buy the shoe. It came as a gift. So guys, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so this shoe is called rubber sole. It's a rubber sole sandals, and it is called BV Lido Sandals. That's it. Lido, the Lido Sandals, the popular sandals. All the classy ladies, classy bodies have it. So when this shoe first came out, so when you open it, this is how it is packaged. Maybe this is authentication card because Bottega Veneta is crested there, and you got 2 dust bags. Bottega Veneta is crested on green. The quality of this dust bag is on a different level. Okay, let me drop it here. I'm super excited, guys. Oh my god. So this is what I'm wearing out today. So let me bring out this babies. Oh, damn. There you go. That's my new baby. I love it. I love it. I tried it out in the store and the fit is so amazing. Now this I heard when Cara or Monique got hers. Cara said it was like it wasn't true to size, but for me it is true to size because I have a slim foot. So this I collected in my actual size, which is 38. Look at the sole. It's a rubber sole. Like, look at that. So comfortable. You can wear this all day. I love this towel. Like, I love the bottom. Let me take this sticker out because I'm wearing it tonight. I'm wearing it as we speak. He's already on his way to the dinner venue, so I'm about to make him up. So your girl is running late. I have to do this video for you guys. The bottom, guys, like when we say quality, I love this. Now let me tell you guys a story. When this shoe first came out, I wasn't a fan of it. I didn't like the toe, the square toe. To me, it looked ugly. I think Patricia Bright first got it and reviewed it. I didn't really like the way it looked on her feet for some reason at that time because it was still new. But now that I've seen a lot of it in different colors, it is amazing. I told myself, Joy, you're gonna get this. I wanted this for Christmas, but it came early. Christmas came early for me, and this is it. I love this. What do you call this again? I love this pattern. I just keep my memory. This style, weave style. Yeah, I love the weave pattern. It's just, and let me tell you, this shoe is not just, it has another extra strap underneath that holds your feet so it won't roll over. Like when you see the shoe, you're gonna think it's just this weaved section, but no, it has another, like a strap underneath it. It's so good. I like the square toe. Like you guys know Vaneta. You guys know Bottega. Vaneta really came out with this sharp cut square toe foot. It's so good. It's so good. I wish you guys can see this on my foot, but I love it. But Bottega Veneta is crested on here, guys. Like I had to do this video for you guys. I had to do it. Like I'm super excited. I don't even know how to act, but this on my feet looks good. I did my white toenails today because I knew I was getting it, since after he sent the money, your girl had to run to the salon and get everything together. Look cute, do some pedicure and some manicure and all that. I love this. Like this shoe is quality, and look at the inside. It still has the mighty effect on it. Like guys, this shoe is bomb. So I'm hoping Christmas time I get the blue one or the orange one. I don't know, it's between the blue or the orange. That's what I'm looking at getting next, since this one came as a gift. I'm getting myself another curler this Christmas. So yeah guys, I like, look at that heel. The heel is not too high, it's not too short, it's just in between. I don't know how many inches this is. And look at the bottom. Bottega Veneta is crested there. Now, this looks like food. Like I feel like eating. I feel like eating the shoe. Like I said, it's comfortable. Of course, Bottega Veneta is crested in there, like on the shoe, and I got size 38. And yeah guys, your girl is excited for this one. Alright you guys, so that concludes the end of this video. Let me know if you loved this video, of course, but don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. What are you doing, sis? If you watched it to this, and like if you watched it to this level, what are you doing, sis? Click that subscribe button and click the bell button beside it so you know when next I upload a content like this one, or you just don't want to miss out on this content, because I'm lit and my squad is lit. Okay. As usual, if you're returning, thank you for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. But before I leave, don't go anywhere. Binge watch other videos, binge watch this one here, watch this one right here, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.